Want to improve your accent? Follow these 5 steps. Read this sentence aloud. Now listen carefully. Can you hear the melody? The weather suddenly changed this morning. The weather suddenly changed this morning. Shadow once. The weather suddenly changed this morning. Now listen to the rhythm. Where are the strong beats? The weather suddenly changed this morning. Shadow now. The weather suddenly changed this morning. The weather suddenly changed this morning. Now, read the sentence again. Does it feel easier? Keep practicing and subscribe for daily workouts.